This is Realme GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, you gotta launch the Google Drive application that comes pre-installed or built into the system. If you do not have it, you can obviously get it for free from the Google Play Store. That's not a big deal at all. Then, you know the drill, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Then at the application itself, you gotta, let me quickly relaunch it. So at the app itself, you should tap at the plus sign that should be at the bottom right corner. Okay, here it is. Tap at the scan option. Then grant Drive app the camera access or permission to use your camera. And then just take a good photo or shoot a good picture of the document that you wanted to transform into scan or PDF file. Take a picture, see if you are satisfied with the result. If you are, proceed. If you are not, just redo the photo. In here you can change the color scheme of your scan. You can make it in color draw-in, or just old and trusty black and white. From here you can also crop rotate your scan, as well as crop the original photo to your liking and manually choose what will be included into the final result, or what part of photo. You can align it, as you can see over here as well, if the original photo is not particularly straight and steady. Then save it, wait for the file to get uploaded to your drive, and here you have it already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.